Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Kabu score 0. I'm joined by Spouse.
Steve was keeper, bro.
I'm Nandi Jaya.
I will start by Muktokoza, bro. One of the members here was Ilang Biza, bro. Bonile ngegame le ase Moses Mabida.
Yes.
Ama fans we Chiefs bebalwa ngawe ukuthi imani uthini. Bantu ekhuluma kumanje yabonakala. And Tamani Pirate asi Chiefs.
Yeah.
I know I was drunk on that game.
Yes.
But what I spoke on that day
What's the truth?
beyiqiniso bro.
What's the truth?
Beyiqiniso. Angifuna ukuhighlight ukuthi bathi ngikhuluma ngani ngisiza. Asikhuluma igame namuhla bro. Umntwana wami la khona.
Sure.
I'm definitely sure ukuthi uhappy namuhla ukuthi usirino ukorile. She was heartbroken last game bro. Usirino uhlulekile ukora. La khona namuhla I'm happy ukuthi uthabile la khona.
Yeah. Very.
And nama player bro I hope ukuthi i-channel yakho bayizwelela bro.
Sure.
What you can see ukuthi namuhla they were taking ubona ukuthi umuntu makaluza ibhola beka follow up.
Yeah.
With let me fix my error.
Yeah.
Ngilungise ngalungisela umuntu omunye.
Yes.
So namuhla you can see ukuthi they were playing nge-mindset ukuthi mangenza ama error things ilungisele.
Motivate.
Yeah. Today bobona ukuthi omunye nomunye uzimele ukuthi makuthi ibhola iluza yimi. Ithi ngimagele ngibuye. Yeah, I'm happy ngento yenzakala namuhla bro.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'm happy. Angifuni ukutshela manga bro.
Yeah. Anything else, man of the match?
Man of the match bro wami ngizoyinikeza bathi ngibani uSolomon sangazo bamkhiphile.
I
don't know. Maybe injury, I don't know. Ngothi mina ngibone sekaphumile ukuthi ukhiphe Mara Solomon bro umdlalile namuhla.
Yeah.
Udlalile. And another thing again, ama player right ngifuna ukuthi mabadlala igame bro, especially ama winger. Abanikeza ibhola mele ba relax jo. Inebhola bayinikeze ulilepo. Trapa ibhola unikeze umuntu wakho. Ufuna ukuyikhathala ngesithende angaboni ukenzakala. Ibhola iphelela la.
And it was a cow.
Kumele ba in counter bro. Kumele ba relax trapa ibhola unikeze umuntu ugcoke njengawe.
Yeah.
If maybe awumazi unikeze ugcoke njengawe ke.
Yeah.
Sidlala ibhola bro.
Injalo.
Yeah. But I'm happy ngento yenzakala namuhla bro. Ibhola sidlalile namuhla. I'm happy. I hope amazulu naye zoyenza into eyenzakaleyo bro. Mara they must rectify into le ebayenza ngama one goal each and every game.
Yes, boss.
They must rectify it. That's why ngitshela last game ukuthi uyabona bathi ngibani ukhanyisa mayo siyamdinga bro. Ngothi uyabona ukuthi there is no one odlala a false 9 obamabhola okhathele emapaleni. There is no one. So umayo samdinga bro wami no bathi ngibani lo vela ovela amazwi bathi ngibani but I not vele bayo bathi ngibani igadora we need that person. Something bro wami as soon as possible. Ngothi siyakhawatheka bro wami. Siyakhawatheka samdinga ama defender nawenza ama error bayabashaya thina ukuthi sibuye problem. So we need ama striker wethu asitshe on bro babuye badlala.
Any comment ngePirates?
Pirates bro wami we knew ukuthi it was a walkover. We knew it was a walkover bro. Bukina ukuthi Tapale ngabuya ku Pirates. We knew ukuthi it's a walkover.
It's finished.
Besazi. Ukuthi that's why abantu abaningi babazela bazobheka iChiefs. But bebazi ukuthi le walkover. Badlala bayi1 ta. So
Ababheke zabo.
Miyekele mara ngithi manje bekazi ukuthi le iphelile. Brother, now is no longer the brother. Akazo khuluma ngoba the brother. Now is no longer the brother. Now is no longer the brother.
Don't worry, I've got enough content because the stove is gone, brother.
Come on,